Different types of media windows have some spaces then it has some of the spaces for the this is the window screen. It is called the soft windows. Then here some objects are covered in this windows. The windows characteristics, components, presentation styles. Then what are the types of windows? Then there Windows management, how we are using the Windows function, Windows operations, web system, and characteristics of device-based apps. First of all, we can see about the Windows characteristics. Again, what are the characteristics that we have already in the Windows? First of all, Windows is seen to process the following characteristics. That is, name, title, and data for the identifications. Then sizing, height, and width. Then state accessible or active or not accessible. Then invisibility, the portion that can be seen. Then location should be relatively to the display boundary. Then it can be title overlapping or cascading. Title elements in this window, so we can see in the further slides. Then the Windows is useful for the following ways. First of all, it has the different levels of information, then multiple kinds of information, then the presentation will be in sequential. Likewise, the Windows is useful for the following ways. Then it will access different sources of information, combining the multiple sources of information, then performing more than one task, then reminding, then monitoring multiple presentation of the same task. First of all, presentation of different levels of improvement has the different conditions, additional user expected. Multiple kinds of presentations means it has the task that we display simultaneously. In sequence presentation means the Windows will be sequentially presented to the users. Then access to different sources of information means it is independent sources of information. Then how we are comparing the multiple sources of information? We have some text, several documents can be edited and combined in one. We can combine it. So there are multiple sources of information when we combine. Performing more than one task means it has a bulk of getting very long, complex, and to finish also it can be one. Remind them means it has to remind the viewers of the things that all here we have in the picture. Then monitoring means it will be monitoring the text. Then multiple representation of the same task means the same thing can be looked at in several things. Here, next topic is here Windows components. Windows main Windows components and these are all the Windows components. This is the main one. It is title bar, status bar, score bar, script box, and size, click, and working. These are all the components here in the figure itself. We have shown that what are the things that we have. This one is the file menu bar, maximize, minimize, and resize status bar. File means we all file means system title things. These are all explaining this. And Windows presentation style. In Windows presentation style, there is a tiled windows overlapping. Tiled windows means here see the task need to perform the exact task. Then data can be shown inside the windows. The task will be running in window manipulations. Then moving up in it will switching between the task. But task is necessary for a greater amount of Windows manipulations. It is expert or experienced users. See here, height Windows means the image and here we having the 4 windows under it. We can show the windows in 4 icons. We can open and say the 4 windows only. More than 4 windows we cannot open like this. Then What are the advantages? While opening likewise, it is very useful to gather the information simultaneously. Then it is visible, then eliminating the possible being things lost or forgotten. Then it is easier to according to uh, study and disadvantages means it is limited number of windows that we display. Then single windows is opened out to existing window sizes changes. Overlapping means the windows will be overlapped like this. So many windows it will be overlapped like this. Then what are the advantages means for visualizing the three-dimensional it is then we can if the windows randomly can identify the size, identify the windows, then you can maintain in larger size. Then windows can maintain the consistent spaces and positions and disadvantages. This more control functions require greater than the attention manipulations. Windows information in windows can be observed behind the other windows. Likewise, one window is in back side, another window is open. Likewise, will be overlapped. Then cascading windows, the window cycle simultaneously one by one. This is the image of the cascading windows based on the overlapping. So, then what are the types of windows? In types of windows, we have some primary and secondary. Primary means already defaultly the data will be there. The images also will be there. Secondary windows is the dialog box, property inspectors, message box, dialog windows, and pop-up windows. Primary means if we open, for example, my computer is open, means in that defaultly drives are there, control panel like that. So, well, defaultly increase that means we can use it easily. Then here, components of primary windows means in that frame or border, title bar icon, then menu bar, status bar, etc. Defaultly there in the windows. Secondary windows means we have to select the windows. What are the settings we have to change? We have to select it first, and we have to go to the properties. We can give the change the font structure, font name. Then what are the alignments? So what are the settings we have to do? We can change it for the purpose. Here the secondary windows will be used. Like we say, type bar, things like that. Then in case of secondary windows, we have model and models. Model means what are the windows is there? So many windows are there. One model, if we have some Microsoft window means on that basis itself, the Microsoft PowerPoint like that, it will be a model of that windows. Models means it is more or less same, but like little bit is changed. That is called the models. For example, model secondary windows means if any website, any login we have to means they having some security for that. They are asking normally email address and a password. All the things for the security websites for that we have to give the email address and the password. So this is the model secondary. Model means it will be for example here we have shown the mail copy. Here composing that mail for sending in likewise. Another example we can see as ChatGPT. In that also we are giving some text, but copying and then sending. Here also we are sending the message that there also we are sending, but the format is it will be changed. This is the example for the model secondary windows. Then dialog box means what are the things we have to change the settings, that is in the dialog box. Here property sheet means this is called as the property sheet. The date and time we are going to check, but in the sheet itself they have represented. Then we are going to select it. Property inspectors means here defaultly they had given insert buttons. That if we select means we can select the style, time, size like that. This is called the property inspectors. Message box means it will give some messages like this, likewise. Then palette windows means in Paint itself we have one tool palette. That some tools are there. These are not used for designing the windows, any images like that. Pop-up windows means if we want to close or move on, that means we are giving the right click, and then in that itself they having close, cut, copy, paste like that. These are all called the pop-up windows. Then Windows management. Next, in Windows management, single document window, single document interface, multiple document interface, workbook and work. Single document in that we are giving the one single document, in that we are elaborating that project or any designing. Multiple document, we are taking the so many documents and merging it and combining all the things, and we are explaining. Workbook means we are giving some notes like that. Project means entire whole ideas, whole things we are explaining and implementing that task itself. This is the four types of Windows management that only we have given in this. Then organizing window functions. How we are organizing the windows? We are organizing based on that what are the windows we have needed, that we open it, and we have maintained that process. What are the allocations we have given in that windows, that only we get that much of tools only we can use for designing purpose. These are the things that we have seen in the windows. These are the types. Thank you.